back. We have the special case when you plug the charger, the lead light shows but it doesn't power on. You see, we try to power up, it doesn't power on, but you see the lead light is showing there. So we lose and see where the problem is coming from. It might be an IC that is not malfunctioning well. So we had to uncouple the system. The system has a lot of screws, so it will take a little bit of our time before we lose all ends. So here's the motherboard. We're going to check the flow of current and see where the current is dropping, and I think we found the issue. There is a burnt diode there, so we have to replace it. It's still badly burnt, so replace it from another old similar motherboard. So here it is. We're taking out the same diode that was burnt to replace on this other one. So let's see if after this, when we on it, it will work. But after doing this, so we are checking and it looks like the current flow is okay. So we have to just try and see if it will power up. Let's do a short check, then let's bridge and see if the power on. Yes, it is up, so it's working. So due to time factor, we can't show you how to couple up the system.